Nigerian government, I have a question to ask you. If you build a better Nigeria for the innocent citizens of Nigeria, what will it cost you? What will it cost you to make your country to look like all these European countries you people travel to? If you give Nigeria the basic amenities they need to survive, what will it cost you? You will not do it. The only thing you will do is to use our money to sponsor Fulani terrorists to come and be killing us. Now I am telling you, Nigerian government, hear this for free of charge. If the Yorubas are comfortable with the way you people are governing that country, and the Hausas are comfortable, and all the so-called tribes in Nigeria are okay, and they are supporting one Nigeria, we the Igbo tribes, we the Igbo tribe, we don't need that nonsense anymore. Enough is enough. We want to go. Give us Biafra and continue with them. It's not a do or die affair. We are not begging anybody to depart from Nigeria. The people should stay in your one Nigeria, but we the Igbos, we can't continue with that anymore. We want to go and we must go. Give us Biafra. I promise you 3 years, you come and check Biafra, you see the great development we will do in Biafra land. A country, Nigeria, a country that has lasted 66 years. There is no light in that country. It's very, very shameful, very, very disgusting, and there is no hope of having light there. All you people do is to use our money to sponsor terrorists to come and kill us. Enough is enough. Give us Biafra. Give us Biafra. We want to go. We want to go. As you don't want to better Nigeria for all of us, give us Biafra. Let us go. And I'm urging all my Igbo brothers and sisters and Igbo youth, support Biafra for our own good, for our own future. Our kids cannot come to Nigeria and continue the way we are living. Let's support Biafra now. Freedom or nothing. Give us Biafra. Biafra must come.
Ụtụtụ ome ebe ọbụla na-enene m n'ụbọchị nke taata, biko na ekenekwa m nke mgbe ọbụla iji wefu vidiyo asị m n'ihu ọma ya akpọ gị mgbe ọbụla ị na-achọ n'afọkwa biko asị m ka njọkwa ọrụ ụlọ biko onye na-enene vidiyo ya ka bakwa na-arụ na sọskraịbụ na chanel anyị ị na-enenekwa vidiyo ya ka bakwa na-arụ na drọpụ kọmentị ụnụ ị na-enecha vidiyo bụ na ịlaiki da vidiyo klik like ịlaiki ya the video, at least the video nwekwa ike onwekwala onye ọzọ ya egosikwa nya bụ da vidiyo. Like bụ free, subscription bụ free, anaghị egbe mmụọ nke a na-ewepụ ego na ya ịghọtago. So ihe ji wee bịa n'ụbọchị nke taata, onwe obele ihe onyonyo na-enecha kịta nwanne anyị nwoke nọ mba ofesi ji wee kwuo okwu. Ya bụ okwu bụkwa na okwu ya bụ ị na-enecha anyị makwa na ofu okwu ahụ ndị nọ n'ụlọ na-ekwu ka ndị nọ n'ezi na-ekwu. Kedu ihe dị ihe ahụ? Unu si na onwere ụlọ ndị Igbo bara unu, hapụ ndị Igbo ka ha gabala onwere. Ịghọtago. Ịma mpụta na-asị na akwa iyi na-arụ onwere ụlọ ọ baala gị, ngwanụ gbalụ na ọtọpụbanụ. Mana nke a na nwunu jụrụ ajụ, jụ aga jụ acha acha. Oyi ha nwe ya bụzi onye gbuo gị, onye gbuo ụmụ nwanne ya pụtazi aka ikwu okwu asị gị it is happening in another tribe, it is happening to ndị a, ọ bụrụ sọsọ ndị aka emere ya. Ndị Hausa a na-akwado iwe igbukpọ ndị niile nọ Nigeria. Ngwanụ nọ si kewaa ihe a, na ndị Hausa n'ọrụ n'onwe unu, ndị Yoruba n'ọrụ n'onwe unu, ndị obodo nwanne dị iche iche n'ọrụ n'onwe unu. Mana ikwukọta asị gị na na-egbu ndị Hausa, na na-egbu ndị nka, na na-egbu ndị ebe a, ejusi oke at the end of the day asị ka ha gụọ ya ọnụ, gụọ the mathematics gbakọọ wepụ nke ndị aka egbu. Kedu ndị aka egbu? Enwekwa mgbe m mee vidiyo wee sị na ndị be anyị na-efile na ndị Boko Haram bata ọ ndị bandit bata n'Igbo anyị taa na ha ya egbu sọsọ ndị na-eje ụka. No, it is not like that. Anyị zuzugide ihe a, some of ndị be anyị na-ezuzugide ihe a wee labata ndị a na be anyị. Ha bata in as much as na narrate isi ya na ha egbu egbu, ha achọrọ ya mma weda na ị na-efe arobi na-agụ ka ị na-aga odozi obodo, ka ị na-aga ọfọ, ka ị na-agụ mmụọ. Ha bata ma ọfọ ma onye ji onwe onye ahụ ya afọ. Mana na-etọpụnụ vidiyo anụnwa kwunu ghọta ihe anyị na-ekwu ka ọ dị.
Okay, I got an information and I saw it on the news that Fulani unalived almost 100 and something people in Benue State, Nigeria. And I'm here to tell you this free of charge. I am not saying sorry to anybody. I will never sympathize with any of you again when Fulani kill you. Because I have told you this time without number, Fulani will keep on taking your life. Your government will do nothing because they are in support of it. When I tell you that Nigerian government supports terrorism, you think I'm joking. This is their agenda. This is their agenda, to use Fulani to wipe you away. But you don't want to listen to me. I tell you that if you are supporting one Nigeria, you are digging your grave. One Nigeria is the easiest way to take your life from you. But you don't want to listen. When I talk, you say I'm instigating hatred, that I love division, that I'm an institutionist. There is no problem. Keep on supporting your one Nigeria and keep on losing your life every day. One Nigeria can never be okay for you. One Nigeria can never yield anything good for you. One Nigeria can never take you to a place where you deserve to be. The only thing one Nigeria can do is to give you on. Your road is not good today because you are in one Nigeria. You can't afford 3 square meals because you are in one Nigeria. You can't afford common education for your kids. You can't afford it because you are in one Nigeria. But you refuse to understand that good education produces a good nation. The government know they will not give you good education because they know if you have good education, that country will be better. They will not do it. And I am here telling you today, one Nigeria is the only reason why these people are taking your life. From the moment you divide that so-called country called Nigeria, every man go his own way. There will be peace in that country, but Nigerian youth fail to understand. Look at the Americans. They are practicing regional government. That is why they are well developed. The Europeans today who gave you democracy, they are practicing regional government. That is why they are very developed. When Ojukwu said this, time without number, go on, let's go back to regional government. The Fulanis are the one who instigated Gowons to say no. They convinced Gowon to say no, that Ojukwu want to divide Nigeria. Ojukwu want to rule. How will Ojukwu want to rule? But Gowon, old have sense. He refused to understand that the idea Ojukwu brought was the best. He wants to cancel the Aburi which they signed. Ojukwu said no. That leads to the war. I know you don't know history. They will not tell you this in your history. Ask yourself, why can't your country allow history to be taught in your school? What are they hiding? They remove histories from your school because they don't want you to know the truth. When you study your history, there is no way the history of Nigeria will be told today without telling the story of Nigerian war between the Nigeria and the Biafrans. And when the story is told appropriately the way it ought to be told, you will know the truth behind everything. You will see the Anyash wide open that the Biafrans, the Igbos are innocent. They remove history from your school today. You kept quiet. And a man who don't know his history is like a man who don't know who he is. And a man who don't know who he is don't know his words. And if you don't know your words, you are a Nigerian youths are 75% of Nigerian youth who don't know their history. They are. That's why the government are using them anyhow. That is why they fail to ask questions. You can't ask your government, why can't you allow history to be taught in our school? You can't ask your government who told you that Igbo man is the problem. You can't ask them that over 60 years plus they have been the one ruling. Igbo man have not stepped in power, but they come today, they tell you that Igbo man is the problem. And you, the gullible youth, you believe them that Igbo man is the problem. I look at you, I laugh, I pity you. Keep on remaining in one Nigeria. One Nigeria, you that believe in one Nigeria are digging your grave. One Nigeria is the easiest way to take your life from you. One Nigeria is the only way they can keep. If they divide Nigeria today, Fulani cannot come to your hometown to take my word to anywhere you like. The truth is the truth. My word is like mathematics. If the answer is 2, go around, solve it in any way you want to solve it. You must derive at that 2. If you cannot derive at that 2, you are getting it wrong. My word is like mathematics to you. Fulanis are the one terrorizing you today. Ask yourself today, if they divide that country, if Yoruba man go, Hausa man go, other tribes go, if Fulani comes to your land today, you ask the Fulani, what are they doing? You see, let me tell you something you have to understand again. If you have ear, you listen. Today, you are being controlled by the federal. The federal permits the soldiers, the police to take action. Even when you capture Fulanis today, you can't take action against the Fulani. No, it's never done that way because you will take order from the federal. Who is the federal? These are the Fulani caliphates. They are the ones to tell you, this Fulani, arrest this Fulani, do this, take them to police. You take them to the police, they will come and release them. Nigerian government, they are supporting terror. Nigerian government are supporting terrorists and keep on supporting one Nigeria. They will waste your life for you. When I tell you something next time, you learn to listen to me. Divide Nigeria now. If you don't want to divide Nigeria, give us Biafra, let's go. Divide Nigeria and save souls. Divide Nigeria and maintain peace. If you don't want to divide Nigeria, no problem. Give us Biafra. Give us Biafra. I am telling you, one Nigeria is a scam. Nigerian youth, listen to my voice. I am not instigating hatred. I am not against any citizen of Nigeria, but I am against the systematic way of politics in Nigeria. It's very, very porous. They are using it to kill our innocent brothers and sisters. One Nigeria is a scam. If you like, listen. If you like, don't listen. I've said my own.